Well, quick demonstration. That there is the black tank, and there's the automatic dump valve. There is the kitchen, the automatic dump valve. And that line, I did not know this till yesterday, that line goes all the way back there. That tank is behind the axles. Here's the water tank, just in front of the axle. Slide out. The other gray tank is down there. It's under the black tank, gray tank. See that hose? And there's another one. Well, just trust me, there's another. There it is right there. That's the furnace. So the furnace blows in here. I did not know that. But all of this is open. So now that's got a heater wire. That's the water to the pump. I ran a heat wire all the way up it. And that is the rotten wood. Rotten in the band. Yuck. That'll get taken out next year. But there's my new pan. I had to cut out holes because there's a thermostat and there's a thermostat. Anyway, that's it.